when
I have to
when
do the camera so
Springer
that
had a leader, double leader single, when Roddy Morris are back, he not try to drag the bases, he try to steal the bases, even though it was 1 out, we couldn't steal the bases to avoid the strikeout and throw out. When Christian hit a 3-run home run, I thought we were gonna score 5-0. Back-to-back games, we're here at home, and they won back-to-back World Series. One was first and third, 11 innings. There's no way we could have got out. We got to steal the base. Just tried to for the double play. We had a double. That's the only chance for us to win the game. It was our game. No way we could have lost. When they threw a pitch, we could have threw back at them. We're playing at home. There's no way we should have given the game to them. I can't believe it. Damn.